What up, banjo strings? It's a Sunday. That means there's a new Sunday edition of my Signal Fire up. It's over at tylernot.com. Today's is a good one. It's about why I hate toxic positivity and why imagination is actually our key to freedom. It's a good essay. You should read it. Every Sunday I put out a new essay about something, and I really like it. It's my favorite writing I get to do. And it's just there, nowhere else. So, this is your cue to go listen. Typewriter Series 422 today. Here's your wee paper. It's very orange. I don't know how I feel about orange. But this one's a little saucy. It's a Sunday saucy. Yeah, here we go. How quickly jealous I become of the wind when it, and not I, gets the privilege of properly messing up your hair. Jeez, didn't know you'd be competing with a natural force. Anyway, I hope you have a rad Sunday. Go listen to the Signal Fire. I read it to you too, if you don't feel like reading it with your own eyeballs. Your ears can hear this annoying voice do the honors. Have a cool day. I love you a lot. I'll see you tomorrow.